morning student. This is Preeti More and I welcome you all today's YouTube video. In the last video we have started our unit 4, the ashes that made trees bloom, and what we have seen in that story, there is the story of very kind couple, one man and one woman. They were very old and they were living together in the village. They didn't have a child, but they have a dog pet, and they love that dog as like the child. They love him a lot. And what happened to that dog? And they asked that dog to feed with them, and they also feed from their own plate and lots of things. That old man was that much kind, and he was having the rice field. He was having rice field, and every day he just go to his farm, and even where if no work is also not there, then also he go to the farm just to feed and just to give the food to animals and bird. And along with that man, his dog pet also gone with the man, but he never disturbed that old man. He never disturbed his owner, and that dog is very helpful, and he always inspire the man to work hard and to do well for everyone. And even he never harm any animal, he never harm any bird in the field. He just helped that farmer, he just helped that man, and he never hurt anyone, and he never disturbed anyone in the farm. But what happened one day? One day that dog came to that man, and he was just moving his head and moving his tail, and he was just roaming here and there and licking the leg of the man. So that man was felt that that dog is playing only, but he was not playing. That dog was trying to say something to to his owner. So that man decided to follow the dog. So dog took that farmer at the place where already some animals were digging, scratching and digging the earth. So the man also dig the earth with his hoe. So what he have seen? He have seen the gold was glittered there. The gold was glittered there. The heap of gold was there, and that man got surprised, and suddenly he become rich. That man become rich, and he gave party to everyone, and he helped the poor also, but he never changed his behavior with his pet. Still that man and that woman, that kind couple love to the dog. He helped everyone, he helped their poor neighbors, they helped to needy peoples, and they gave party to everyone while they after becoming rich. And in all the villagers were also surprised that how that man got a heap of gold and how he got the treasure. Now in that same village there was also one couple, but that couple were very cruel and very weak. They were not that much kind and patient. So what happened to that couple? That couple also decided, they heard the story, the good luck of that neighbor, that suddenly the dog found the treasure for his owner and suddenly they become rich. So that cruel couple, that big people also decided to feed something good food to the dog. So what they started, in the initial day they just kicked the dog, they just bitten the dog, they never kind with the animals. But when they heard the story about the good luck of that kind couple, so this cruel couple is also decided to feed the dog. So they started keeping the delicious dentist food to the dog. But the dog came, and the dog never eat and never move from there. So what they have done, दे थ्रो अवे दैट डॉग फ्रॉम द डोर। उनको बहुत गुस्सा आया क्योंकि डॉग खा भी नहीं रहा था और वहाँ से जा भी नहीं रहा था। वंस दे हैव डिसाइडेड इफ वी ऑल्सो फीड समथिंग गुड फूड टू द डॉग, so maybe dog will also find treasure for us and we will also become very rich. But this thing was not like that, and dog was already afraid of this cruel couple. So what happened next, let's see. Then now in the same village there lived a wicked old man and his wife, not a bit sensitive and kind, who had always kicked and scolded all the dogs whenever any passed their houses. Now in the same village, I told you, and in the last video also we have seen, in that same village there was another couple, but this couple was very cruel. This couple were very weak, they were not sensitive. They just hit the animals, they just kick the animal whenever the dog and other animal passes from their houses. Hearing of their neighbor's good luck, they coaxed a dog into their garden and set before him bits of fish and other dainties, hoping he would find treasure for them. But the dog, being afraid of the cruel pair, would neither eat nor move. Now after hearing the good luck of the neighbors, so what they decided? They decided to allow the dog inside the gate, and they started giving them the tasty food, and in just that hoping that dog will also find the treasure for us. But the dog being afraid of the cruel people, but dog already was afraid from that cruel pair, would neither eat nor move. वो डॉग के पास बहुत अच्छा फूड रखते थे कि हम भी अगर डॉग को फूड देंगे तो शायद डॉग हमको भी बहुत कुछ खजाना या ट्रिजर ढूंढ के देगा, बट डॉग उनका फूड खाता भी नहीं था और वहाँ से हिलता भी नहीं था. Then they dragged him out of the door, taking a spade and hoe with them. No sooner had the dog got near a pine tree growing in the garden than he began to paw and scratch the ground as if a mighty treasure lay beneath. Now what they did, because the dog was not eating, even the dog was not moving, so that cruel pair got angry, उनको बहुत गुस्सा आया. So what they did, they just dragged him out of door. उन्होंने वो dog को वहाँ से भगा दिया. They dragged out of that dog from the door and taking his spade and hoe with them. With spade and hoe they just dragged that dog from the door. वहाँ से उन्होंने उस dog को भगा दिया. No sooner had the dog got near a pine tree growing in the garden than he began to paw and scratch the ground as if a mighty treasure lay beneath. Now what? They just dragged that dog from the door, and that dog suddenly reached at the pine tree. At the garden there was the pine tree, and dog started scratching that earth at the pine tree. He just began to paw and scratch the ground. वो ग्राउंड को ऐसे स्क्रैच करने लगा, ज़ोरों ज़ोरों से अपने पैरों के पंजे से वो उसको क्रैच करने लगा. लाइक समथिंग ट्रिजर इज देयर, समथिंग ट्रिजर इज देयर. ही जस्ट the cruel pair dragged out the dog from the door, and the dog went to the pine tree and he just started paw and scratching the ground as if a mighty treasure lay beneath. वो ऐसे स्क्रैच कर रहा था जैसे वो ज़मीन के अंदर कुछ ट्रिजर है, कोई खजाना है. Quick wife, hand me the spade and hoe, cried the greedy old fool as he danced with joy. Now that cruel man become very happy. He just saw that dog is pawing and scratching the ground. That means something is beneath the ground. So that cruel man became so happy, and he asked his wife to bring the spade and hoe. And he was just started dancing that we also found the treasure, because he just saw that the pine tree the dog was scratching with his paw. Then the courteous old fellow with a spade and the old crone with a hoe and began a dig, but there was nothing but a dead kitten, his smells of which made them drop their tools and shut their noses. Now what they did, that greedy means lalchi, greedy means lalchi. So that man had saw that that dog was scratching the ground, and so that man thought that something is beneath under the ground, that's why that dog is scratching. So he just called his wife and asked his wife to bring the spade and hoe. So his wife also came with hoe, and he just given the spade to that man. So they both greedy couple started digging the ground. They started digging the ground, but there was nothing under the ground. There was nothing beneath the ground, but a dead kitten was there. What was there under the ground? Under the ground there was a dead kitten, and his smell of made them drop their tools and shut their nose. And it smell, if you have seen some dead dog, dead animal, it smell very bad, it smells very bad. So that kitten, when they dig the ground, so what they found there was nothing, no treasure was there. That greedy people, that greedy pair got very happy, they become very happy that dog is scratching the ground, maybe something is under there, maybe the treasure is there. So that cruel people became very happy, that pair become very happy, and they take their spade and hoe and they started digging the ground. But what they found there was nothing, no treasure was there, but there was a dead kitten and it was smelling very bad. So what the cruel pair did, they just dropped their hoe and spade and they just shut their nose because it smelled very bad. जो वहाँ मरी हुई किटन थी जो ग्राउंड के अंदर, वो बहुत बैड स्मेल कर रही थी. दैट्स वाई दैट ग्रीडी कपल ड्रॉप देयर हो एंड स्पेड एंड दे जस्ट शट देयर नोज. फ्यूरियस एट द डॉग द ओल्ड मैन किक्ड एंड बीट हिम टू द डेथ. नाउ फिर उनको और ज़्यादा गुस्सा आया. फ्यूरियस द डॉग द ओल्ड मैन किक्ड एंड बीट हिम टू डेथ. Now what the that pair did, that pair they got very angry because when the dog was scratching the ground, that pair the pair thought that something is there under the ground, treasure may be there, but they digged it, nothing was there, there was the dead kitten and it was smelling so bad. So they just dropped their hoe and spade and they just covered their nose, and they got very angry on the dog. They got very angry, so they kicked the dog and they beat him and they just killed that dog. What that cruel pair did, the cruel couple killed the dog because they got angry and the dog couldn't find the treasure for them, and they just got very angry and they kicked and beat the dog very badly to death. And the old man finished the work by nearly chopping off his head with the sharp hoe. Now what the man did, that cruel man chopped the head of the dog. उसने वो डॉग के सर के टुकड़े टुकड़े कर दिए. उसको इतना गुस्सा आया कि उसने वो डॉग को इतने किक मारे एंड इतना मारा कि वो डॉग फाइनली मर गया. The cruel pair kicked the dog and what they did, and finally he chopped his head. He chopped his head with sharp hoe. Then they then flung him into the hole and heaped the earth over his carcass. Now what they did, they threw him into the hole. They threw them into the hole. उन्होंने उसको, वो डॉग को चॉप्ड करने के बाद एक होल में डाल दिया और उसके ऊपर ढेर सारी मिट्टी डाल दी. That's how that cruel people, that greedy couple killed the dog very badly. That cruel couple killed the dog. First they kicked him they beat him till to the death, and even they just chopped his head. And what they did with that chopped head, they put that all the chopping pieces into the hole and they just covered it with the soil over and heaped the earth over his carcass. Carcass means dead body. I have written here the word carcass means dead body. The owner of the dog heard of the death of his pet and mourning for him as if he had been his own child. Now the kind pair, this dog was whose dog it was? This dog was of that kind pair. This dog was of the kind pair, and this cruel pair cut and chopped the dog, and they just put that all the cutting pieces into the hole and covered his body with the soil. Now this whole story, now the owner of the dog heard of the death of the pet. Now अब ये सब स्टोरी किसको पता चली? जिसका वो डॉग था. द काइंड पेयर, द काइंड कपल heard about the death of his dog. So they become very sad because they love that dog as their child. They don't had a child, so they just love that dog as their child. And when they heard the story of his death, of the death of his pet, so they become very sad and they mourning for him as he had been his own child. वो इतना उनको दुख लगा जैसे वो उनका खुद का बच्चा था, because they loved him a lot as their child only. Went at night under the pine tree. Now what that man, that owner went at the under the pine tree, because that cruel people put that chopped head pieces at the pine tree. There was one hole and they cut and chopped the head of the dog and they put all the pieces in that hole, and that hole was where? That hole was at the pine tree. That's why the owner of the dog went at the pine tree and he became very, very sad. So what happened next? Now the dog had dead. So he went at under the pine tree. He set up some bamboo tubes in the ground, such as are used before tombs, in which he put fresh flowers. Now what he did? Now the owner heard about the bad death of his pet dog. So he became very sad and he mourned about his dog. So he went at the pine tree, and what he had done here, he set up some bamboo tubes, some bamboo sticks he set up over there, and such as are used before the tombs, and in which he put fresh flowers. So he was just praying for him, and he just put some bamboo stick and some fresh flower at his dead body. Then he laid a cup of water and tray of food on the grave and burned several costly sticks for incense. Now what he done? He did some first at the dead body of the dog at his grave. He put some bamboo stick, even he just put some fresh flower and one cup of water, and food also he kept for the dog. He mourned a great while over his pet, calling him many dear names as if he were alive. Now he was missing that dog a lot. He went at that pine tree where that cruel couple put that dead body of the dog. So the owner of the dog also went at the pine tree at the where the dead body is there. So he put some bamboo stick over there, and he put some fresh flowers and some fresh flowers and the cup of water and tray of food also he kept for the dog. At the grave of the dog he put some cup of water, some food also, and burn several costly stick for incense, जिसको हम अगरबत्ती बोलते हैं, वो भी उसने उसके ग्रेव के पास लगाई। जहाँ वो क्रूएल कपल ने वो डॉग को गाड़ दिया था, वहाँ जाके जो डॉग का ओनर था उसने उसके लिए फ्लावर रखे, अगरबत्ती जलाई, उसके लिए पानी रखा, एंड सम फूड ऑल्सो ही केप्ट ओवर देयर। He mourned a great while over his pet, calling him many dear names as if he were alive. Now he was just missing that dog and calling that dog in different name, जैसे बहुत सारे nickname होते हैं किसी के. So like that only that owner, that old man also calling the dog with various name as if he were alive. Now that night the spirit of the dog appeared to him in a dream and said, now the same night the dog soul came in his dream. Now the same night when the old man was sleeping, so what he has seen in his dream, he has seen the dog soul, the dog spirit came to the man's dream, and what the dog was saying in his dream, cut down the pine tree over my grave and make from it a mortar for your rice pastry and meal for your bean sauce. Now what the dog was saying in his dream, the dog spirit was saying in the man's dream that you please cut the pine tree. His dead body was there, the dog's grave was at the pine tree, that's why the dog was saying you just cut the pine tree and make some bowls, mortar means some wooden bowls, and make some bowls for your rice pastry and meal for your bean sauce. What he is saying, dear my owner, you please cut that pine tree over my grave, मेरे ग्रेव के ऊपर जो पाइन ट्री है आप उसको कट कर लो, and make some bowl, make some mortar for your rice pastry and a meal for your bean sauce, और कुछ मील बनाओ आपके bean sauce के लिए. Like that he just did, but the dog spirit came into the dream of that owner. And what that spirit says, the spirit says you just cut down the pine tree where at my grave, and you make some mortar, make some wooden bowls for your rice pastry and meal for your bean sauce. Now here that owner is badly missing to his dog and he just mourning for him, and even in the same night the dog spirit came to his dream. Then what happened next, we'll see. First you note down this all the words. So let's read the words. Coast means persuaded, dente is tasty food, courteous, greedy, crone, woman, flung, thrive, carcass, dead body, mortar, wooden bowl, pounding, crushing and grinding, stingy, miserly. So you just note down these words in your notebook. Now here we have seen how the cruel people, how that cruel couple was that much greedy. In that greed they just killed the dog very badly. Even they chopped that dog's head and put that all the pieces into the hole and that cover his body with the soil, and where they put that dead body at the pine tree. So the owner of that dog became very sad after hearing the bad deed of his dog. So he just mourned for that dog. Even he just went at the pine tree where the dog grave was there, and he just put some bamboo sticks. He just burned some expensive sticks for incense. He put some flowers, bamboo stick and cup of water and the tray of food also he kept for the dog, and he was just missing that dog very badly, and he was just calling that dog with with his nickname, because that dog was having very nickname, because that kind pair loved that dog as their child. And the same night the spirit of the dog appeared him in a dream. That the spirit of dog came to the dream of that old man, and that dog asked that old man to cut the pine tree and make some bowls, make some mortar and the meal for their bean sauce. Now we'll see in the next video, will that old man cut the pine tree, will he make the mortar and meal? Let's see in the next video. I hope student you understood the story, and I hope you have written these words in your notebook. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.